Hi, welcome to this quick video about the Visualix SDK sample app. So the Visualix SDK is a solution for the augmented reality cloud, for the AR cloud. So first of all, you can actually map out your space. So enter the mapping mode here, say start mapping. Then you see a little mini map right here. When I walk around, you see it's also being updated. And so I can just walk around here. And it uses a combination with the Visualix solution of local and cloud-based SLAM. And once I'm done with the mapping, I can say stop mapping and give it a name, like here, and save the map, right? Then I can go back and say place. And what I do now is I need to go back to my initial starting position where I started the scanning and creation of the map. And now I need to relocalize a little bit, hold up my phone. Now it found the space. And what I can do now is I tilt my phone down, and then I can just, via drag and drop, place a little object here, like the little dragon, right next to the birdhouse. Can double check if that's fine. Also, let's place a little fire extinguisher right here, next to the fire sign. Then I can say finish placement. Now it's saved that. And then I can go into the use mode. It already relocalized very fast. And so I can go to these objects, as you can see here, see them closer and can actually walk to them, like, for example, the little dragon right here. And the really amazing part is actually, I can also tilt down, right, to see a full map. That's pretty cool UX here. And I can also say start navigation. And now I can say, okay, navigate me to the fire extinguisher because I need to clear out a little fire, right? And now you can see it actually points me to this one. Or I can also say stop navigation, can select this little guy. Okay, please guide me to the dragon. So I just walk there. And so you can enable these kind of wayfinding scenarios with the AR cloud. It's pretty awesome. So definitely a great job here by Visualix from Berlin. Kudos to them. Take care and stay safe, my friends.